Hi, I'm Matt Harlow, Chief Investment Officer at Larson Financial Group. I want to spend a few moments to talk about how the markets performed in the second quarter of 2019 and share some thoughts as we move through the rest of the year. The momentum from quarter one carried into April as many broad asset classes had positive returns. But as U.S. trade talks with China ended in early May without a deal being reached, stock markets for the quarter turned negative. The seesaw quarter would end on a high note, though, for stocks globally, as the Federal Reserve hinted that interest rate cuts could be implemented later this year, and trade talks between the U.S. and China resumed. As the U.S. stock market reaches new highs and the yield curve remains inverted, the chorus of doomsday predictions may seem to grow louder. I'd like to share my periodic reminder about how dangerous knee-jerk reactions to these type of headlines can be. Fear sells, so negative headlines are usually not hard to find, and many of the publications that produce such headlines come from seemingly reputable sources, but these articles seldom pan out and can cause undue stress. Attempting to outguess the market and predict the next crash is very difficult to do. For example, imagine if you had followed the advice of one of numerous posts in 2012 predicting a devastating market crash. You could have missed out on one of the greatest bull runs in history. This is just one example of how predictions don't always come true. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or concerns about the current markets, your financial advisor can provide context to help you stay on track.